In order to determine if you're experiencing water leaking through your ceiling after showering, first check to see if the shower drain is accessible from underneath. If it's not, you'll need to cut a small hole in the drywall above the drain pipe connection. Once you've located the leak, you'll need to locate the source of the water leak. Most likely, the shower pan or faucet is to blame. A number of possible causes of water damage beneath your shower include broken or loose pipes. These leaks are often discovered after you've taken a shower, so it's important to find the source before attempting a repair. Another common cause of water damage is damaged tiles. Although the tiles serve as a waterproofing barrier, cracks or broken grout lines can allow water to seep through and eventually create a visible stain. A simple way to diagnose water leaks is to check the water meter. The water meter can help you determine the source of the leak. However, a professional plumber can perform this work more quickly. Before you begin, you'll need to close the incoming water main valve. If the problem persists, you'll need to determine the source of the water leak and call a plumbing company. Once you have a clear understanding of the cause of the leak, you can then proceed with the repair. If the problem is not covered by your homeowner's insurance, you can contact your local plumber to fix the problem. American Family's home insurance will typically cover plumbing leaks if the water supply lines are damaged. The pipes, in turn, may be the source of the leak. Fortunately, if the plumbing is not damaged, it can be fixed. If this is not an option, you should consider calling a plumber for assistance. If you're experiencing water leaking through the ceiling after showering, you should investigate the cause. You should first determine where the source of the leak is. If the problem is in a bathroom, water can seep up through the ceiling from the floor. If the water is coming from a plumbing line, it could be leaking into the ceiling. To determine the cause of the leak, you'll need to measure the floor area above the leak and the walls around it. You'll need to check for any cracks in the walls and rotted wood. A water leak could be caused by two things. The first is the water supply line, which brings water into the shower. The other is the drain line, which sends wastewater out. The water leaking from the shower is coming from this pipe. Then the water leak can travel to the floor via the floor. If the pipe is clogged or damaged, the water will leak straight down to the bottom. This is the reason why it is important to repair the pipe. If you notice water streaming from the ceiling after showering, check the pipes for a leak. It can also be the cause of a broken caulking seal. Alternatively, a broken or loose fitting between the water supply line and the fixture may be the culprit. If this is the case, you may need to replace the whole bathroom, or simply fix the leak. Otherwise, you may need to contact a plumber to fix the problem. The first step to locating a leak is to cut a hole in the ceiling. Cutting a hole in the ceiling will expose the leak source. A leaky faucet will cause water to drip inside the wall and cause damage to your home. You can also find the leak by checking the plumbing fixtures. Once you've located the drain pipe, you're ready to contact a plumber to fix the problem. A leak in the supply line is another common cause of a shower leak. The leak usually occurs at the shower drain, but it can also be in the walls and ceiling. To fix the leak, you can turn off the water valve and check the gasket for a leak. If you find a leaking gasket, you should replace it immediately. If the gasket is broken, water may also be leaking in the drain line.